Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I just want to show you how to find wallets, tracking them, and if you want, you can even start copying their trades, okay? We'll be focusing on the wallets which they are trading meme coins on Solana. We're gonna use a couple of tools like GMGN, and also I'm gonna show you another tracking wallet tool on the Telegram group, okay? And I'll be also showing you Bull X, okay? So guys, before we start, if you can subscribe to my channel, will be much appreciated, okay? It will show up to more and more people. Basically, algorithm will trigger for this video to show to more and more people, and I will be much appreciated for it. And also I have to say that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for entertainment and educational purposes. You have to do your own research. Okay, so let's go into it. Right, okay, so now we are currently on GMGN side, and while we're here, okay, it's we can start obviously we can go and see what is actually currently available for you to go and check the different type of coins. But also, if we want to go and check the potential winner wallets, okay, well, sometimes they are bots, let's be honest, okay? So if we start we click on a copy trade, we will be redirecting to so-called we're gonna be checking the wallets by the rank, for example, okay? We got a few options. We can go and check all the wallets, but we also can go and filter it by the sniper wallets, okay, some influencer wallets, fresh wallets, smart money wallets, and pump.fun wallets, okay? So let's go and start with the snipers, okay? Snipers are not very good to actually track. First and foremost is because most of those wallets, they are simply bots, okay? And let's be honest, you cannot win against the bot unless you are also creating the bot, and you'll be sniping those positions, right after they appear, okay? Or otherwise you don't have any chance against the bots, right? So I would skip this one, okay? I wouldn't be focusing much on the snipers ones, okay? We can also go to actually traders who are actually, they consider them to be influencers, okay? So obviously they are well known among the people who actually trade in meme coins, okay? They usually have some sort of additional knowledge, like insider knowledge. They most often they're receiving a back of those coins even before they launch, so they know something about the whole thing, okay? You can also go and check one of them, okay, and just go and track their history and see if there's somebody who actually you want to start following and see what's going on, and possibly copy their trades, okay? Fresh wallets, okay, that's the other option. When the fresh wallets, okay, come up into the system, okay, this GMGN is actually picking them up. You can also go by them, and you can start searching, using this different type of filters, like for example 30-day PNL, 7-day win rate, 7 days TXs, and others, okay? But what I want really focusing on in this video is smart money and fun is smart money, okay? So those people are actually the traders, okay, or at least most of them, they are the traders who are actually quite successful out there, right? So you might be considered some of those people actually who have like for example 7-day win rate, okay, or 30-day win rate on kind of a high, okay, volume, and then you'll be saying like, okay, this is something which I would like to go and check and see what's going on there, okay? And very important, when you see those 7 days TXs here, okay, and they are large in the large quantities, okay? So for example, this fellow here, okay, he or she's got a 7-day win rate of 46.3%, okay, and 7-day TXs are 513, okay? I think there might be a good to have a look into this one, okay, and see what's going on, okay. So basically, what it says that they have like this particular wallet have a 46% win rate, okay, and which is the last 7 day of plus 121%, okay, which is equivalent to plus $151,000, all right, which is a huge amount of money, okay, and that's something you might consider. Okay, it's let's go and track what this person actually does, okay, where is investing its money, what type of coins they're investing in, okay. You can see that some of those transactions are not very like as a win transactions, there are a few losses here, okay, but that's why this person has a 46% win rate, okay, because not all of those transactions have been like a successfully, okay. So total PNL is plus $1 million, right? So, and it's a 33.02% up, okay. So that's quite interesting, okay. Average durations, okay. So 7-day average duration is 3 day, okay, and 7-day total cost is 171K, okay. So this person must know something what they do actually, what he or she is doing, right? So they actually they know something about it, okay, or just simply pure lucky, okay. It's really up to yourself to do your own research regarding this, right? But the thing is that for example, when you go to distribution and you see how many trades were actually like for example, trades between 0 and 200%, okay. So basically they made at least 200% from the trade, okay. They have 54 transactions like that in the last 7 days, right? Let's go to 30, okay. 30 is even higher, okay. It's 163. Between 200 and 500 they have a 27, okay, and over 500% like a win rate for particular transaction was the 21 in last 30 days, right? There was some smaller wins like between 0 and 50%, okay, 161, and less than 50% is 128, right? So when we go to 30 days, okay, you see that the win rate is actually dropped from 46 to 39, okay. Usually when you see this number is about 60-70%, that's something you would like to consider. Yeah, it might be a good one, okay. But 39% is still not bad, like let's be honest, okay. Last 30 days plus 52% with the total portfolio of $298,000, right? Okay, so that's something it's worth considering, okay. It's then you can go to each of those transactions and see you might find some sort of pattern, why the actual person decided to invest in this particular one, okay. So let's say that you find a wallet you were interested in, okay. Let's pick this one. Then the next stage would be you might go and use one of those wallet trackers which you can find on Telegram, okay. This one, it's called Ray Purple, okay. It's just nearly 13,000 people are using this one on a monthly basis, okay. So what you do here, okay, you can add your wallet, right? Add the wallet you want to track, okay. And then if you have a multiplier of those wallets, they'll all be tracking here, okay, in this particular bot. And once this has been placed here, the bot will let you know if the person will actually start selling or buying something. You have up-to-date information, okay. So it's one of those wallets you can start using it, okay. So I'll be leaving the link below inside the description or comment of this video, okay. You can go and check it out yourself. The other option is when you go to Neobull, okay. It's when you go into it, you can go and go and wallet tracker, okay. Once you go into the wallet tracker, you just simply put the wallet name here, put the wallet address, and add that into your list if you want to start tracking that wallet. And once you start tracking that wallet, okay, that wallet will actually be showing under the news for you, okay. So all the alerts will be showing here, okay. If there is any sort of transaction, okay, happening on that particular wallet which we found here, Neobull will show that here on this data, right? And you're gonna have this live, okay. So they will be picking up every activity on this particular particular wallet, right? Guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button. Any comments, leave it down below. Once again, this is not a financial advice, and if you can also subscribe to my channel, will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.